Really nice. And this modern view with first air. He made this space look slowly at the top.
The beauty was mam já finish.
Wake up, it's time to sleep. Fully booked. Ladies. So these are some display. Very fine. Hallway. Isn't it cute? These colors of cushions are really nice. Wow. See these lights. Children's room. And there's another light says not just wow. This is another cool one. Table. Hanging directly on the wow. For the pets. This colorful kits. See the green table. Oh, they attached 3 lights here. This is really cool. Wow. This is nice. See the block of mirror. Then there is this is the sitting area. It's nice, you know. Wow. Wow. Makes all the difference. The table. Classic. The light makes all the difference. And planets. Wood used wisely. Take a look at this chin. Wow. Cool, neutral. Ideas from here and family dining table, you know? Neutral to climb and get. And this side is the kitchen. Oh, this chair is really cool. Sponge. Oh, that's a fridge. The sink. Relation. They have some ovens here for sale. Okay. Does here. Container number. That's it. Wow, so cool. So because there's a mirror here and here, it made this space look way bigger than it is. Mirror is actually a very good idea in designing homes to make your little space appear bigger. Forget mask. This is bedroom. A walk-in closet, really. Just pull this out. Oh wow, interesting. Way to conserve space. So I don't know why this place smells nice. You just spray anything here. It smells really good. The mirror, the bathroom. Oh. Pink. Also here, farmer's flower. Yep. This is another cool one. Wow, cool nursery design. Let's turn it on and see if it's going to come up. Whoa. The crib, bed, changing table. Wow, this one lights up. Whoa, this one lights up too. Interesting. Interesting. Close. Whoa, see the price. The rocking chair. The bathroom. The mirror. This one too. You can't sit here. This is nice. That's the name. But
Oh my god.
this is another sweet room. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Wow. Rug. Dances out. Storage and storage. Lights too. Let's take a look at this. This. Oh, nice. This is really nice. I love this. This is really nice. Has one here. And this big mirror. Mama. Old. Wow. Big. Looking at. The wardrobe. They have really nice, very practical. Food. Way home. You pick. Yeah. Some fruits. Okay. Another one. Get away. Coffee, hot chocolate. Milk. Very nice. Play Ikea. Huh? Let's go. Once rugs, mirrors. Self-checkout. Okay. Click and collect. There's a restroom there too. Woo! See you soon. See daddy. We found the car. This yield, you can't.